Hello class 1. This is your chapter 3. This is your EVS chapter 3 Rajan's handbook and the topic of the chapter is my senses. As we already read in the last chapter that we have 5 sense organs. We have different parts of body, but there are 5 organs that are very important for us. These are called our friend. Okay, so these all are sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ear, skin, tongue and nose. These are our 5 friends. We have 5 friends in our body parts. They are eyes, ear, skin, tongue and nose. These part of body help us to know the things around us. Things around us we can know about through the parts of this body. Our eyes help us to see the things. With the help of eye, we can see the beautiful world around us. We can see the world that is very beautiful. As we all know, we can see the help of the eyes. Our ear help us to hear. With the help of ear, we can hear different sounds. Some sounds are pleasant and some are loud. We are able to listen through the ear. Next sense organ is nose. Nose help us to smell. With the help of nose, we can smell different smell. Such smells are fragrance and some are odors. We can smell a flower, delicious foods, bad odors and fragrance. Now next sense organ is our tongue. Our tongue help us to taste. We can taste different things with the help of tongue. Some are sweet, salty, spicy, etc. Our skin help us to feel. We can feel different things with the help of our skin. If something is hard, our skin tells us that this is hard. We can feel soft things, thorny, cold and hot with the help of skin. Now, we have 5 sense organs in our body. These are nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin, and we feel with the help of our skin. Now this is question time. Tick the sense organ you use when you do the following. Which sense organs we will use when we watch television? Is this eye? Is this ear? Is this nose? Or is this tongue? Yes, this is eye. Eat sweets. Which part of body you will use when you will eat sweets? Is this eye? No. Is this nose? No. Is this skin? No. Is this tongue? Yes. So tongue is right answer here. If you want to listen a song, which part of body you want to use? And which part of body will help you to listen a song? Is this tongue? No. Is this eye? No. Is this nose? No. Is this ear? Yes, we hear with the help of ear. So ear is the right answer here. Smell of perfume. Nose help us to smell a perfume. Feel the softness. If you want to feel the softness of a puppy, which part of body help you? Your skin helps you to feel. Now next exercise is matching. Eyes, see, ears.
Look at the body parts, class 1. Can you recognize them?
Tongue, chest.
Today we will study about these body parts in the chapter 3. These are very important parts of our body.
Thanks for watching.